Okay, so on my athletic profile, what I did was I went ahead and changed the name to protect the athlete a little bit more, just using some initials there. In the special test section down here on the left, what I did was I added the hand grip dynamometer test, the reactive Y agility drill, and the 30-yard sprint. It says spring here, so I'll adjust that so that it says sprint. And that was to mimic some of the movements that you would need in women's lacrosse. I cut out the 3 reps max of the dumbbell fly and wrist curl. Did not replace the dumbbell fly with anything. The wrist curl was replaced with the hand test. The Y agility test, I noted how the agility was going to be built in there by pointing, so that I had a true agility test there, and then a speed test with the 30-yard sprint. I also changed the T test to reflect that it is more of a change of direction test. On to the needs analysis. You can see here that I've added in the lower body and the trunk rotation and the muscles that are used there, and some lifts that you could use to strengthen those. I also added in the injuries. I changed ankle ligament sprain, taking out the concussion, and moving up on the chart. I changed some of the hypertrophic exercises that we do. I put in some more larger muscle groups and more multi-joint exercises, as opposed to I had a wrist curl and a wrist twist, and I had some lower body exercises mixed with some upper body exercises. So I simplified it, but focused on big muscle groups in there. I also changed the percentages for the phosphagen, glycolytic, and oxidative to high in phosphagen, 50% instead of 15%. Glycolytic, I changed to 25% instead of 40%, and oxidative to 25% instead of 45%. And that reflects the research and the what was noted in the books. The only change I made below for the phosphagen was the work to rest ratio. Instead of 1:3, I changed that to 1:4, and same thing with glycolytic. I changed that from 1:3 to 1:4 as well. And I added in some of my research. This was one of the 3 articles that I read.